Hello everyone. So in this part we will study about the cytoplasm. As we studied about nucleus and plasma membrane before, now let's come to the cytoplasm. Actually, the protoplasmic mass of the cell inner to the plasma membrane and excluding nucleus is called cytoplasm. That means, for example, this is the cell, this is the nucleus, and this is the outer cell membrane. So the space between the nucleus and the plasma membrane is filled by a fluid filled structure that is known as cytoplasm. It has mainly two parts, cytosol and cell organelle. Cytosol is the fluid part of cytoplasm. Remember here that it is only the fluid part of cytoplasm which contains a number of substances like water, ions, enzymes, vitamins, amino acids, etc. Next are the cell organelle. See in this diagram that you can see the liquid part here. You can see here the liquid part, that is the cytosol, and you can also see that mitochondria, ribosomes, rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, vacuole, peroxisome, lysosomes are also present here. So the liquid part is known as cytosol and the other part are known as cell organelles. Let us see here that these are the submicroscopic means even smaller than microscopic. These are the specialized structure to perform various cellular functions, means every cell organelle has its own function. We will discuss each and every cell organelle and its functions. Mainly the cell organelles are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosomes, mitochondria, plastids, ribosomes and vacuole. So in this we can say that cytoplasm is mainly made up of two parts, cytosol and cell organelle. Cytosol is the fluid part, whereas the submicroscopic structures are known as cell organelle, which have their own functions. Let us see in this diagram. As I already told you that this is outer membrane, this is known as plasma membrane. So if we draw it like this complete is the plasma membrane and this one is the nucleus. So this part is the cytoplasm. If we consider only this part, this will be the cytoplasm, and if we consider cytoplasm plus nucleus both, then it will become protoplasm. Remember that the cytoplasm plus nucleus is known as protoplasm, and only that part, this one filled part, is known as cytoplasm. Thank you.